Congratulations on choosing Miele. At Miele, we believe your favourite clothes should last a lifetime. That's why our appliances are designed and engineered for long-lasting performance and taking immaculate care of your favourite garments. Let's explore how to get the best wash performance every time. Press the on-off button in the centre of the fascia panel to power the machine. Confirm the safety lock message by pressing OK and continue into the main menu. Navigate as you would on any smart device, simply touch and swipe to select your settings. The Nova washing machines offer a variety of everyday and specialised programs such as silks, woolens and even trainers, which are all designed to work with the new Infinity Care drum for gentle, effective washing. For the best results, separate whites, darks and bright colours. Miele has a wash for every fabric with specialist programs. Cottons is ideal for a large load of everyday durable cotton garments. Minimum iron is designed for half the load size with reduced creasing. Quick Power Wash is a thorough wash suitable for 4 kilograms of cotton garments in just 49 minutes. Woolens is our dedicated woolens program and gentle enough to do the hand washing for you thanks to the Infinity Care drum. Load your laundry and close the door. For best results, we suggest utilising Twindos, Miele's automatic detergent dosing system. Twindos has been specifically formulated for Miele appliances and reduces detergent wastage by up to 30%. Then, simply select whites or colours and the soil level. Miele's Twindos automatically doses the correct amount of detergent and stain remover so you never have to measure again. If you are not using Twindos, simply add detergent manually via the main compartment on the top left. For the ultimate safety, a 2-step process is required to start the load. Press the power button, a lock will appear. Press OK to confirm your wash program. Forgotten item? Press Start Stop, then add laundry. When safe, the door unlocks so you can add it in. At the end of the wash, you'll hear a pleasant tone to signify that the cycle has finished. If you've enabled the anti-crease function, your appliance will gently tumble the load to keep fabric smooth and crease-free. Now remove your laundry. Thanks for choosing Miele.